In this video, let me show you how to deposit money in Rainbet Australia. First, sign into your Rainbet account, then click on the green wallet button at the top of the page. You'll have two options for depositing funds, using cryptocurrency or via bank transfer. If you want to deposit money using your bank, click on Interact. It will ask you to enter your deposit amount in Canadian dollars, along with your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. After filling in your details, click on Deposit and follow the prompts. Once completed, the funds will be added to your account. If you prefer to use cryptocurrency, click the wallet button again and go to the deposit section. Choose your desired cryptocurrency, let's say Bitcoin. A unique deposit address will be generated. You can either scan a QR code or copy the wallet address to send your crypto. The minimum deposit is 23.4 Australian dollars, and only one confirmation is required for the funds to be added. Once your transfer is confirmed, the balance will reflect in your primary account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.